Hello student, this is Mr. Alvin. Today's class is going to be HTCA, how to check your answer episode 3. Today's episode is going to be graph of function, filling up the table of values, alright? We fill up the table using a calculator. Let's begin. I'm going to show you how to check the values for graph of function. So we are going to learn how to check the answer now. Key in mode one time, you will see the function 7. Go to table. So fx stands for the function. Now you're gonna ignore the y, right? Just key in the part over here, alright? So I'm gonna key in 1.5 and then press this button for exponents. Okay, now how to get the value or the symbol of x, right? You're gonna key in alpha and then you look for this. Can you see there's a x red in color over here? So I'm gonna click this button. You will get the symbol of x, alright? Press right arrow to kind of drop down, then minus 1. Okay, so make sure your function over here is same as the question over here. Alright, so after that you're gonna press equal. Now ignore gx because you only have one function. Alright, ignore gx. So I'm gonna press equal one more time. Now start means from your x value you are starting from -2, so key in -2 equal, ending with which value. So I can see it's ending with 5. It's already 5 here. Press equal. Step is the increment of your x value. So teacher already showed here the steps here is actually +1 +1 all the way. So make sure it's 1 and press equal. Alright, you can see all the values out already. So let's check. Just be confident in our checking. -0.56 is for -2. -1 is 0.33 negative. Yeah, tally. 0 will get 0, so teacher check our first answer already. Press down. 1 will be 0.5, true, correct. Check one more time. 2 is 1.25. Yes, good. So we got all our answers correct already, and then just kind of check the other values. So you see it's going to be tally. Alright, so that's how you do. I'm going to show you how to use calculator FX570MS model. I know this is generation 1. Generation 2 is going to be the same, yeah. So how to do graph of function filling up table. You notice that we don't have the table of function here. We don't have. So we have to do the manual method. So I'm going to show you. Put bracket. Put 1.5. Now to get the exponents out, you're going to use this button right here. Exponents. Okay, now can you see the letter X is in red color? So we need to press alpha followed by this button right here to get the letter X. Close the bracket and follow the question. It says -1. Okay, the moment you see the function exactly same like the question, you're going to press this button, CALC. So press it. They're going to prompt you what is the value of X. So you just follow the question. We're going to check -2 and then press equal. So we can see -0.555, rounded to -0.56. We have to manually key in this button again, CALC, for the next value. So we're going to key in -1 now, equal. So you can see -0.33. So to check our answer now, press CALC followed by 0 equal. So we get 0. CALC. Now we check 1. So we get 0.5. CALC. Now we're going to check 2. Press equal. So we get 1.25. There you go. So we already checked our answers, all of them. Now just don't be overconfident. Just check the following few values. So teacher is going to check 3. Yeah, check 2.375. CALC, press 4 equal. So 4.0625. One last table value 5. There you go. So this one slightly tedious. We're gonna check manually one at a time. Okay, from function, let's say you want to exit this function. I have students who panic. Yo, don't know how to change this. So what you can do, don't panic. You press shift and then press 9. Can you see on top of 9 there's actually CLR, which stands for clear. So press number 9 and then go for 3. Clear everything. Press equal 2 times and then you will exit the computing stage already. Alright. So you will need to do this question now. So let's say I have this question. Function y is 3/10x³ minus 2x. So how to do this? Again, you are going to practice table number 7. So fx, we're going to use this button here for fraction. So key in 3/10. Okay, press right arrow to kind of go on the right hand side. So now we're going to key in x, yeah, so get the symbol of x using this alpha, then this button. Now we're going to type in cube, so I'm going to use exponent 3. Okay, now just follow the question, press right arrow, kind of drop down, minus, and then 2. followed by alpha, and then this button to get the value or symbol x. Okay, now exactly same like the question already, then we can press equal. So gx again ignore, yeah, because you only have one function. Press equal. Now where do we start? Our x value start with -3, so you can type this -3, press equal. Now ending is this value here, we are now ending with 3, so type in 3 equal. Step. So teacher already show you the step. What is the increment for value of x? So let's see, this one increased by 1, but here got increased by increased by 0.5, right? So increased by 0.5, increased by 1, so I suggest you press the step to be 0.5. Okay, press equal, and bam, right, there you go, all the answers will be coming out already. So -3 will be -2.1. Yep, correct. Teacher check my first answer, -2.5, which we don't have, never mind, and then go for -2, I can see 1.6. okay, check my answer, really good. Let's check the next value. -1.5 is, yeah, round to 2, yeah, can you see? It's going to be round to 2.0. So good. -1 will be 1.7. Yes. Let's check the next number. 0.5 negative don't have. 0 will be 0, yeah. This one also check already. Let's check for 1. 1 will be -1.7. Yep, good. 1.5 is -2.0. Just check every single digit to check on our function. 2 is -1.6. 3 next, 2.1. There you go. So teacher already checked all the digits. For FX570MS, let's try. So we're going to press the bracket button. Now we can see a fraction. So 3, press this button for fraction. ABC, right? Then over 10 like this. So now we're gonna get the letter x, so alpha followed by this button right here, get the letter x, exponential or power of 3 like this, closed it with a bracket. Then we can see -2, then we need to press alpha x. So exactly same like the function in the question, then you're gonna press CALC button right here, press CALC, they're gonna prompt you what is x. So we have to key in our answer value, x is -3. So let's check our answer. Okay, you will see a mixed number, -2, 1 over 10. So how to get the checking out for decimal? You press this button ABC. So you will see, we get to check -2.1. So in order to check our next few answers, we have to keep repetition, yeah, repetitively type CALC. So now we're going to key in -2 here, -2, press equal. So again, a mixed number is shown, press this button to get the decimal 1.6. So let's check our two other answers, CALC, now x is 1, press equal. Again, clear this away by typing this button, -1.7. One last checking, CALC, now teacher is going to key in 3, x is 3. Okay, so we don't want to see this, you want to check decimal, press ABC, then you will get 2.1. There you go. That's it for today's class. I really hope you enjoy Mr. Alvin's teaching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so for more mathematics tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.